Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to cancel my order on Fundrise. Here's a detailed guide on how to cancel your order on Fundrise. The first thing to do is to open your web browser and navigate to www.fundrise.com. If prompted, click on Login at the top right corner and enter your account credentials to access your Fundrise dashboard. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Fundrise dashboard, which you have here, which displays an overview of your investments and account information. Once you're here, click on the Real Estate tab in the main navigation menu at the top of the screen. Now, this section provides access to your current investments and order history. I have not started my investment. That's why you see I have this invest button here. But if you do, then your portfolio, your investment portfolio will be managed here. In the real estate section, look for an option that mentions your order history or recent transaction. That's if you have placed an order. So go ahead and look for an option that mentions your order history or recent transaction. Now, this could be labeled as order history or transactions or something similar, depending on your update. Click on this option to view the details of your past orders. Then browse through your order history to find specific order you wish to cancel. Click on the order to view its details. Look for an option to cancel order or withdraw order. This may be located within the order details or as a button on the page. Click on this option to initiate the cancellation. A confirmation prompt may appear, asking if you're sure you want to cancel the order. Review the details and confirm your decision by clicking Confirm. After completing the cancellation, you should receive a notification confirming that your order has been successfully canceled. You can also revisit your order history to ensure that the canceled order is marked as such. Go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.